Alright, now we got this big guy. Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna slide down and use gravity. And then turn it play. Alright, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. Today we are going to install this Glacier Bay item number 10065873338 high efficiency elongated toilet. Because the toilet in the half bath is kaput. Alright, well we're here and we call it Laura's bathroom. This is the half bath. We are changing this toilet out today with her new toilet she got from Home Depot. And I'll bring you along. Okay, one of the first things you have to do is turn the water off. So, turn that water off. I think it's a quarter turn. And then flush the toilet. Have that water dissipate as much as we can. Have it go down and it should not fill it. So, do that a couple more times. And the water will go away. There'll still be water in the tank, so you have to be aware of that. Okay, so sorry, I should probably grab a light, but I've got the hose disconnected from the tank. Not much water, but you always want to have a towel. And then I got to get these caps off so I can get the toilet up. We want to remove the toilet before we do any cleaning and prepping. And, you know, it's only been here 5 years, so it shouldn't be that much craziness. It's just a small area, so let me see if I can get some more lighting. All right, so I've got all the hardware off of these. They're detached, and let's see what happens. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove, Laura's gonna be videoing, but we're gonna remove the toilet. Again, this is probably the first time I've done this in a while. Yeah, sorry about the light. Here it comes. All right, let's take this off. Like I said, there's gonna be residual water. Sorry, she's already laughing at me.
No, just making sure things don't shatter.
Okay, that's as much water as I can get to go. So, here we go. We gotta get this toilet off the floor. So alright. Hopefully there's no more bolts or anything. The wax ring should be pretty stuck. Oh yeah, we don't want to break any tile doing this. So, got that on. I'm gonna have to break the seal. Looks like it's breaking. I'll see. Let's go here. Sure, me pushing down on it's not doing any good. Alright, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
I saw movement.
Yeah. Just gonna get our water in there a little bit.
Woo!
All right. This is the interesting part. Here it's sloshy.
Yeah, it's got water for sure.
Oh, there it is. And there's your problem. Yep.
What's that?
It's stuffed up bad.
So we should have gotten a snake while we were
Look at that. No, we can fix that, but yeah, look at that in there. Ew. Oh, stinky. It's a stinky job. It's an LED, so don't point that in my face. Okay, so I gotta get up from here. All right. Okay. I have done this before.
Yeah.
All right, you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just recording this. Oh, sorry, not really. I'm just taking this out using the hand tool.
Wow, there's quite a bit of water in there. I didn't think there was going to be that much. It's just the fresh water, so it's not a big deal. And I've got a towel right here to
Yeah.
clean up what's
Go up.
sloshing.
We're going down the hall. Really want to just take this slow and low.
Slow and
There we go.
low. Oh yeah, baby.
We want to try to preserve this toilet.
Yeah, I don't think there's any.
sell it.
I don't think there's anything wrong with it.
Well, you guys throw stuff away. Nope. All right. Put this bad boy down here. Okay. We'll see you when we get it down there. All right, we're back. We're getting it down the steps. I'm just taking it one step at a time here. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Toilets are heavy, y'all.
Especially because it's still got water in it.
That's okay. Let's get the, what we call this, the old timer.
Yeah.
It does everything we need whenever we need it. So let's just get this tank up on it. Still awkward.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Are you gonna tip it back on the grass
Sure.
just to get the water out of it?
Well,
Well, that wasn't part of the plan, but that's okay.
So we're gonna smash it now. Oh, Lizzie's out. Why is Lizzie out?
Where did she go? Lizzie. All right, now we got this big guy. Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna slide down, use gravity, and then turn it into play.
Is that gonna be the way you want it?
Maybe.
Guess we'll find out. Yeah. Go on. This is the fun going on
Yeah,
here.
look at all this.
Eesh.
That's what's clogging the toilet.
Clogged up nastiness, basically.
Oh no. What is that? Oh my, it is all the way down there. Oh no.
So
It's like liquefied pee-pee.
do we need a snake?
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
You getting that on video? Yuck.
Goodness.
Stuck to the rim there. Let me just make sure that's not a big dangler. No, it's all out of there. Okay, I gotta get it. Okay, you can turn.
Good.
Okay, we're just gonna pour some hot water down it just to clean it out a little bit and make sure that it's flowing. There you go.
Seems to be flowing pretty well.
Okay, sorry about my hair, but we're gonna put the wax seal on. You put it on the bottom of the toilet, and you kind of, with the paper, you just smash it on. You kind of get it, you know, it's not a scientific thing. Let's see right here.
There you go.
There you go. Just make sure you don't push in this wax seal because it's got to out.
Yeah.
And we're just going to let it do that for a minute. And then we're gonna replace the old. Remember, if you get the new, just replace it. So we're gonna put new bolts in, and then you have to spin these all the way down to the floor. It's important. Okay, thanks. All right, putting her in. Let's see if I can get this one first shot. All right, I'm gonna go on the ground. I'm gonna go out there.
Okay.
And my legs won't fit in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Oh no. Nope.
Okay, so we're going off. Oh,
Tilt it up. Bring it that way back. Bring it back down. Oh, so close. Oh, yes. We're in, baby.
We're in. Whoop whoop. Now just making sure the
ring.
wax ring seats.
Yep. Seems like it. All right. Does it look straight?
I think so. Looks pretty good.
Okay. I need the.
All right, we got it in. Kenny just installed the top. Now he's getting the seat just about there. All right. We got a toilet seat on.
It's filled it up.
It's filled up.
It's still running.
So we got water.
So we'll wait here.
It's still running?
Hear it?
Oh yeah, I can hear it now. Okay, just filling up the tank now. Got the, show them how the seat works.
Watch this.
Oh, soft closed seat that takes ages,
Oh.
but that's okay. We don't mind. Oh, it's full.
All right, you ready?
You gonna open it and show us the
What?
flushing motion?
Oh yeah. So we do have the pee and poop.
Number 1 and number 2.
Okay, ready? Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I mean, it
And that's how
flushed.
that's supposed to work.
That's definitely better than what was happening in here before.
Make sure it doesn't. Okay, turn that off.
Oh, you want me to?
Alrighty again. There's the toilet. She's installed. Lady's happy. So after 5 years, we had to put in a new toilet. We did have some issues down in the bottom. We're not sure if it came from the toilet itself, but yeah, there it is. Installed in the half bath. You like?
Yeah.
So.
Love it.
So she loves it. She's trying to run away from the camera. But
no, I'm not.
hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll do more of this. See you on the next one.